dominated loading. Sa no variation in soil properties horizontally, if the soil is uniform properties, kung sa kanang ng isang ka-area, uniform ang soil properties nimo, walay magbago in all horizontal directions, or what we call isotropic, which is discussed na po kadahapon, di ba? No isotropic. Kaya, the distribution of all the stress is consistent. Kaya syempre, wala may bago. Ang iyahang mga particles, kaning uniform lang bantanan. So this means that, in any given depth, the total stress at any point is the same lang as at another point at the same depth. For the absence of shear stresses naman in horizontal planes, in a horizontally layered soil deposit, stresses are only perpendicular to the plane. There is no variation in stresses, meaning walang sharing of force along vertical or horizontal planes. Ang explanation naman sa gravity-dominated loading naman, since the soil is at rest and not subject to external lateral force.
For water. Ito ang formula, kailangan minute-weight. Yung apa yung minute-weight ng
pagkaan.
Formula sa minute-weight.
Bilalis pa kami.
Specific gravity plus E. At minute-weight sa water. 1 plus E. Ang tagigin na ang G at ang specific gravity gitutin sa 72. Plus ang E sa soil kay 0.52. Regulation ay tapos 10.81 minute sa water 1 plus
0.52.
What is lateral earth pressure and its theories? We will also analyze lateral earth pressure atlas and the case of O or the coefficient of lateral pressure atlas. These are all the topics that I will cover for this. Okay, so types of lateral supports. So in geotechnical engineering, prevention of lateral earth movements is often necessary. This is because we excavate earth. So when we remove earth, it will destabilize the earth, so we fail. So soil in its natural state supports itself. The removal of soil causes it to have lateral strain and may fail. So ang mga types of lateral earth movements, undulator, legal, raised excavation, very narrow lang siya, very much raised. Another would be a still sheet pile or it could be gravity retained walls using only gravity and the weight of the wall itself.
Dalawang akong cellphone. Para ka kung okay. Yun mo na lang.
Ang makaya na nasa bibig niya kanina.
Oo. Para isang memories.
Hindi ka sa atong diagram maka-form above forces. Ani,
Fats. Tingnan mo ba dyan? Sa video. Ang batias.
itong F1 kay area lang aning triangle, si F2 and then of course F2 na is equals to 1/2 times
Base.
pressure na company natin to ang height. Street. Kailangan